Today, I would like to show you how to stop wasting your money on cruise drinks when you can follow these tips instead. Hi, I'm Tori from KirkToriStory. I live on cruise ships and I like to drink, but I don't want to break the bank. So today, I'm going to show you how to enjoy drinks on a cruise without breaking your budget. So we all know that cruise life is full of fun and relaxation. And when it comes to drinks, the prices can put a damper on your vacation. A cocktail here, a soda there. It adds up fast. And before you know it, you're staring at a bill that you really didn't plan for. But don't worry, I've got some great tips to help you sip smart and still have an amazing time. So, why are cruise drinks so pricey? Well, it's simple. They've got you. You're out in the middle of the ocean with nowhere else to go. So, cruise lines know they can charge premium prices, and well, we pay them. I mean, who doesn't want to have a fruity cocktail by the pool? But at $15 or more per drink, plus gratuities, these costs can spiral fast, especially when you're with a group or a family. But I've got some savvy ways to cut these costs down. So let's dive in to a few tips that I've created for you. Tip number one, bring your own beverages. Yes, most cruise lines will let you bring a couple of bottles of wine or champagne on board. And this is a great way to enjoy your favorite drink without paying sky high prices. Just be sure to check the rules because they vary by cruise line. And some might even hit you with a corkage fee if you drink in public areas. But hey, no one's stopping you from having a little happy hour in your cabin, right? So don't just assume that you can or can't bring drinks on board, though. For example, one of the cruise ships that we went on this past year in 2024, we were able to bring an entire case of wine on board with no charge. And if you want to know which cruise line that was, you can ask me in the comments. Tip number two, drink packages. If you plan to drink regularly, consider a drink package. These can be purchased in advance or on the first day of your cruise, and they often cover unlimited drinks, whether it's cocktails, soft drinks, or specialty coffees. Just be sure to calculate how many drinks you'd actually consume to make sure that it's a worthwhile investment for you. I made a great video about the Have It All package with Holland America, and it's a good video as it really breaks down the value according to how you would use it. So I will link that in the description below. And tip number three, keep an eye out for happy hour deals. Many cruises have happy hours where drinks are offered at a discount. It's a perfect time to get those cocktails or beers for a fraction of the cost. Check your daily cruise schedule and make sure to go there when the deals are dropping. These happy hours are labeled as different events on each cruise line, so just make sure you check that daily information package of what's happening on board so you don't miss out. And before I move on to the next tips, I would like to ask if you've received any value from this video so far, if you would take a moment to just subscribe and like this channel. So thank you for that. Now for tip number four, free drinks at events. So did you know that some cruise host receptions or welcome parties where complimentary drinks are served? Well, the captain's reception or loyalty events often include free cocktails, wine, or champagne, so take advantage and mingle while you sip. This is a big one because generally I see a lot of people order more than one drink at a time. And tip number five, the drink of the day. Many cruise lines feature a discount drink of the day, and they're usually like a tropical or fun kind of drink and perfect for the poolside. So keep an eye on your daily itinerary or on the app so that you don't miss out on that either. And tip number six, win your drinks. Have you ever considered trying to win your drinks? Well, there are so many games on ships where the prize could be drinks or bottles of wine or champagne. And Kirk and I have received many free drinks on various cruise lines by watching shows, going up on stage to participate, playing in some games or contests, and more. So, with whatever you win on board, you can drink it without any corkage fee, and you don't have to add any extra gratuities after. And here is a bonus tip: soda and water packages. If you're not a big alcohol drinker, you can check out soda or water packages, and they'll give you unlimited access to soft drinks or bottled water for a much lower price than buying them individually. And don't forget, bring a refillable water bottle because most cruise lines offer free water stations so that you can fill up and stay hydrated for free. So plan ahead and stay savvy. And ultimately, saving on drinks while cruising is all about planning ahead. Research your cruise line's drink options, set a budget, and be mindful of any promotions or specials. And by making smart choices, you can enjoy your cruise without blowing your entire budget on drinks. So, what's your favorite way to save on cruise drinks? Let me know, please, in the comments. And if you're looking for more money saving cruise tips, please be sure to check out my next video where I'll be sharing more clever hacks about how to get the most of your vacation. So thanks for watching, and remember, travel smart, sip smart, and have the time of your life without breaking the bank. And we'll see you in the next video.